Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get 4K a video quality in Capcut PC. So if you want to get an output video that has a 4K resolution, when you want to watch it, want you to show it to your friend, it's very easy to do. Just open your projects in the Capcut PC and you have to edit it like basic editing, or you can give some animation, in, out, or combo animation. After that, you can export and choose the format here. You want a MP4 or MOV, it's up to you based on your preferences. And very important is change the resolution here. You can change into the 4K resolution. Bitrate, it's recommended, leave it be. Codec, leave it be, or even you want to change it's up to you. Maybe the AV1, efficient compression and compatibility saving space. And also the frame rate, I recommend you to higher frame rate. I make it higher, 60 FPS. So after that, you can export your video, but you have to aware about the size. The size is increased if you increase your resolution. Here, as you can see, if you stay on HD 1080p, the size about 23 megabyte from a about 10-second video. If 4K, it's about 69 megabyte. So feel free to try, increase the resolution, 4K quality. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so on below. See you in the next video.